In the sun-drenched groves where olive trees have thrived for centuries, a modern-day alchemy takes place. The transformation of olives into the golden elixir known as extra virgin olive oil is both an art and a science. A process steeped in tradition yet constantly evolving to meet contemporary demands. The paramount challenge in this industry revolves around a dual objective: producing the highest quality extra virgin olive oil while also achieving substantial yields. This balancing act is no small feat, as each goal can often seem at odds with the other. Quality in extra virgin olive oil is determined by several factors, including the acidity level, the presence of beneficial antioxidants, and the complexity of flavor and aroma. These characteristics are influenced by countless variables, from the variety of olive used, the climate, the timing of the harvest, and notably, the methods of extraction. Output. Traditionally, olives are picked by hand to prevent bruising and are cold-pressed quickly after harvest to preserve freshness and prevent oxidation. However, such meticulous methods are not particularly conducive to high-volume production. This is where technology steps in, offering new methods of extraction that promise efficiency and a higher output but often pose risks to the delicate balance of flavors and the very integrity of the oil. Furthermore, the pursuit of higher yields can lead to practices like over-harvesting or mechanical harvesting, which might compromise the quality. Olives that are bruised or sit too long before pressing can begin to ferment, leading to defects in flavor, which no amount of technological prowess can correct. Yet it's not all a tale of compromise and sacrifice. Innovations in agricultural technology, such as precision farming, have begun to offer solutions. These techniques allow for better monitoring and control of water and nutrient levels, optimizing the health of the olive trees and potentially improving both yield and quality. Moreover, advancements in extraction technology are also on the rise. High-frequency pressing and two-phase centrifugal systems are modern methods that enhance oil extraction rates while attempting to minimize the degradation of the oil's sensory and nutritional qualities. In conclusion, the quest to harmonize the production of high-quality extra virgin olive oil with high yields is a complex and ongoing challenge. It requires a delicate blend of traditional wisdom and innovative practices. As technology and methods evolve, so too does the potential to master this golden balance, ensuring that the ancient legacy of olive oil continues to thrive in the modern marketplace. And as the industry moves forward, it remains to be seen how well tradition and technology can dance together, creating an olive oil that honors its rich heritage while embracing the efficiencies of the future.